Welcome to the first video of the Doughnut 3D animation tutorial series in Blender. Throughout the whole tutorial series, I have modified and simplified the Blender Guru's Doughnut tutorials. I have also discussed and solved the problems that I personally faced while following his tutorials. I have also modified the animation that looks more realistic. So let's start our video. This is a 3D animation. I am going to teach this in my YouTube tutorial series in Blender, in computer or laptop you can do it. Okay, now this Blender is a software in computer that is to be installed and downloaded. First download then install in Chrome, from Chrome, and then you have to install it, and then you will, after opening this, you will get this type of interface. Okay, this is a cube. Now this is a default object in this Blender viewport. Okay, what is viewport? Viewport is this black gray surface onto which this cube is, and you will get this type of interface fully. You may not get this button here, left mouse, this writings, okay, but you can, okay, do not go like this. This is a screencast tool. Do not think about much of this, but now concentrate in this Blender cube. So now this is a viewport, okay, and this is a cube. Do not say in all this, I will first explain this one. So now the basic things is how to zoom in, zoom out, then how to move in the viewport, and then how to rotate the view. Okay, now how to zoom in or zoom out? Simple, easy, most easy. Classical way of zooming in and zooming out in PC is this one. Go to the middle mouse button, go to scroll button, drag up, just drag up. This is a zoom in, and then if you drag down, it is zoom out. So this is zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. So now zoom in, zoom out is over. I will go into how to move here. So how to move here? There's a long view mode, viewport. Okay, so it's like see all around. Okay, do not go like this. How I turned, do not, I will teach you later. So now the move. How to move it? First of all, press the shift key in the keyboard. Shift key. You can see here, shift. And then the middle mouse button, means the scroll button. You have to press it deliberately. Press it, and you can see here that middle mouse button, and drag it. Drag. Again, go. Open that. Release that button something if you are doing painting, and then after that again drag it. Drag it. Sorry. Drag it. Drag it. We'll go. Move about from my view, from our cube. So now this is the question, how to turn all around. The easy way to turn, okay, sorry, a mistake here. If you do not want to press our scroll button here, so go to here, and you will get a zoom button, zoom, and then click on it, and then drag up to zoom in, and drag down to zoom out. And if you don't want, and again, if you don't want to move all in the viewport using your shift and middle mouse button, so here is a move button. It's like a hand icon. Click on it, and again drag wherever you want to see. And another thing, that to turn, you could not get anything of turning here, so you have to turn with your keys and mouse only. So what is the hotkey, which I'm saying hotkey for turning? Okay, the hotkey for turning is simple. As for moving, we did pressing shift and then mouse button. Here you don't have to click on shift, only to press the mouse button, middle mouse button. Okay, now press it and then drag all around. You can see it's rotating, isn't it? Drag across, you will see rotating, and drag this, then with middle button move it again, turn it, then zoom in it. Here it's perfect for our animators. Okay, so zoom in, first doing this turning on and then zooming it, turning on, seeing the viewport here. Okay, now again I will go so now the second point is, I'll go to the default screen. Now the second point is, in the viewport we can understand this cube. What is all these are doing here? What all these are doing? So if we click on it, you will get a YOLO interface. It have a fine little filament holding it on the top, and there is also a triangle. But what is this? What is this two here doing? So what is this two doing? You will get it by clicking on it, and here you will see it is showing it's a light. Okay, first of all I am telling that I have defaulted it a light. You will have a gray black interference here also. I am getting a white interference all about, and no, but you will, if you have not changed the default settings, you will get a black and gray background. Okay, let it be, that does not means anything. Okay, now this is a light, and you will see here it is written as light, isn't it? This is light. If we click here, it will be yellowish, and if we not click here, it will, and again click here, it will be yellowish to the light. And this, what is this? This is the camera. Okay, means this is a perfect studio with a floor, not clearly floor, let it be floor. And this is a camera, this is a light, and this is a perfect studio. And then here you can see this file. You can open. Okay, you can create a new file, open a file, open this any recent file, recover, save. You can save it, and then many more are there. Do not go here, let it be. And then after that, edit, undo, redo. Okay, what is the hotkey for undo? Yeah, you all know it's Ctrl plus Z, isn't it? And here is also redo. You can do it by, you should know the hotkeys everywhere, because it is a cluster. It has a cluster of hotkeys. Without that hotkeys, you can't do anything. You have seen the Blender gurus. I am following his instructions only. Without that, you cannot do anything. Okay. Now this is I will, to redo that, you will shift Ctrl plus Z. You will redo everything. Okay, let it be. Then after that, undo history, repeat lost, many. The render you will understand a little later. I will let you know. And this window, new window, toggle window, full screen. You will get a full screen vision, toggle window. Okay, let it be. And then help, you can get help from here also, but I am helping you. What's the need of this help? Now it is a blend file also, splash screen menu, splash screen install application. Let it be, not see all that, not in peek into this. All the graph editor, compositor, and outliner, 3D viewport. You are in the 3D viewport, do not go to anywhere, let it be there. And then it's a select button, let it be. And then it's a mode, and these all are some mode of selections, okay, and then it's a global means transfer orientations. Many more are here. Is the proportional shading. This is the what I will say, snap and movement. These are the options, location, parents. Do not go into this. And then after that you will see that visibility, every unit visible, and then let it be. The thing that you should know is this one, viewport overlays. Okay, these all are okay. You will not need in the first, but when you will go modifying, you will need these all, and these are all the what you will say. Yeah, there's a viewport mode. Means first of all, going to, this is known as X-ray mode. This is called X-ray mode. You will see X-ray of this. Okay, and if you go here, you will say solid view mode. Means it's a solid. This you will not affect now. This is a material preview node, and this is a render mode. Let it be in the solid mode. Now this here, it's the object mode. If you select here and then go to here, you will see edit mode, sculpt mode. This you will get later on. Here many things is there. It's a here, come here. This is, I am rotating through the middle mouse button, the one that I have taught you. Now this is the move button. If you click in the green button, you will move in the green part. If you move the cube, okay. Now if you click on the red button, this is the red one is called x-axis, and this green one is called y-axis. And what is this blue one doing here? This is a z-axis. We will go on in the top here. Okay, let it be Ctrl Z. Okay, now what is this? This is rotate. So click on here, you will get a rotate file. No, this green, what is this blue one doing? This is a z-axis. Anything blue here is z-axis. Z-axis rotation, Ctrl Z. Then red means x-axis rotation. Getting this, see here is the red one as axis, and this is the rotational field, and then this is the green means the y rotation, y axis rotation, and Ctrl Z, yeah. And then this white line is free rotate. You can rotate it anywhere. No, it is a face rotation, sorry. This is a face rotation. You can rotate the face, let it be, and if you click anywhere, this will be a free rotation. Rotate anywhere. Now this is to scale. If you click on here, it will scale in the top button. If you click on the green, it will scale on the y-axis. Ctrl Z, yeah. If you click on the x-axis, it will scale like here, and there are many more to scale, like there are small red things, all are coming here. Okay, let it be a perfect cube. Okay, and this is all thing meshed into all this wall, move, rotate, scale, all are meshed into, and then it is a transform. Means all activities you can do all in transform. I don't want to go in these complexions. Select box here, let it be. So we have finished it. Okay, and one thing, what is this ZXY is doing here? Okay, if you click on this Z, you will get a top view. There is a top view. Okay, Z top view, and then X you will get a side view, and then if it's Y, then you will get a side view, another side view. Okay, now if you don't want to click this one, click on 7 for Z, means for top view, number per 7, and for 1 you will go to Y axis, for 3 you will go to X axis, and no. And in most laptops you will not get any number pad, so for that you have to do here. You can see in the keyboard just over the tab button, you can see caps lock, Ctrl, shift, caps lock, then tab, and after that you will do not click on that, and then you will after that you will get another button of semicolon or like that, and then escape, and between escape and tab you will get a semicolon of that like symbolic key. Click on this key and you will get all this. Now go here, click on top, you will get a top view. Again click on that, view selected, bottom, view for camera, everything you will get here. Top, okay. Go. Now how to see from the camera? From number pad. Simply press on number pad 0. You will see it from the camera. What is the camera? Where is the camera? Here is the camera. This is the you zoom in. This is the square. This is the square of the camera. No, it's a rectangle. And then if you click, you will see it from the camera view. From this view, this is showing from here. And understand it. So now it's time. I will finish it here. Let's goodbye. Please subscribe my channel, like this, and if you like and appreciate it, then send it to your friends. And from the next video I will show how to add a Doughnut base and give icing. Now let's end this video. Thank you everyone.